Right, we're at the shop from sponsor. First thing in the morning, what are we doing, Chung? What's the funny story about this car? Tell us about the VIN number.
This guy bought this CRV 2004 and the tow truck guy shipped a wrong car here.
The chance of that, having the same model, same kind of car, come on the same boat into the port and then having the same serial number, just a different chassis code. Kind of coincidence that's like, this is a lot less likely to happen than someone winning the lottery or get hit by lightning twice. This is Devin's car. We're currently doing an LS swap. So currently we're waiting on the pilot bearing. This is the LS pilot bearing, which is slightly smaller. This car is a right-hand drive. Steering shaft is in the wrong way. So there's two things blocking the header to come from the engine to the back. Doing some final adjustments here. Vincent, what do you think?
So far, it's looking good. Can't wait to get this car out of here.
Pushed against the hood, actually.
Next.
You're Lightning McQueen, man. I'm speed. Okay. Yeah, but in the camera, oh, GTR, bro. GTR, man. Paul Walker, man. Another feature film about this car. This time it's the livery on. Last time it has no livery, so we had to make a completely new feature film for it. Yeah. We have the exclusive view from inside the cabin. Yes. Behind the seat. Check out this carbon seat, how thin it is. Wow. Your left side is probably on the line, actually. That's the camera guy right there, look. Oh, there you go. That's a camera. That's a camera crew. Sketchy shit. Sketchy shit happening. Me filming people filming you. Come around here. There's the police. Hello, police. Something supposed to be serious here. Go. Sick shot. It doesn't roll. Focus here. Come on, focus. There you go. Oh no, it's not. It's like nice. So what's the plan?
Following the car, following the cameraman.
Oh, that car.
Following the drone. Well, the drone's following us. Yeah.
Curious about it.
Oh shit, there's a cop.
Behind you?
Yeah.
That's the door. Aye, aye, aye.
One ticket in. Well, not in. We got pulled over. We got pulled over, but it's okay.
You get? Yeah, we just say fuck it and keep going.
you wrecked the clutch, man.
Alright, now we should dip.
Yeah, we really should dip, man.
Now, go home. Good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody. Now the end of the video here, yeah? So, what do you want to tell people before you close the video?
Well, like and subscribe. Tell us what you want to see in the shop.
Yeah, and Tara, what do you want to add to that? Nothing.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe and subscribe to Coffee Black too. You know?
Yeah. The Elrod.
Yeah. Coming soon.
Part 2 very soon.
Yeah.
Thursday.
Future thing. All right.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. Well,
Hyundai.
it's Hyundai, not the Honda. Honda's fine.
Edge that's slanted. That's not good.
Yeah.